Good morning, dear honorable judges, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Tresha Marcelina, totally agree with this motion. This House would criminalize individuals and organizations who do not recycle. As far as we know, our Earth is not in a good condition nowadays. We often see natural disaster, global warming, air pollution. Even yesterday, a lot of scientists who protested went viral. Scientists protested that if we do not take care about our Earth, we will experience the extinction of the world. Criminalize individuals and organizations here means that we should give deterrence effect for those who don't recycle their waste. Recycle is to use again or to reuse waste of material by converting it into something new. Recycling is a method of procedure that includes the collection and the process was introduced so that the non-biodegradable materials can be melted or break down to create something useful. After the effects of global warming and pollution have become known to man, the process of recycling has become more important. If the individuals and organizations do not recycle their waste, do not want to care about the environmental damage, there will be a global warming, air, water, land pollution. There will be a lot of poison animals cause their waste, which lead to a massive hunger and disease in human body because lack of healthy quality foods. Ladies and gentlemen, this motion is a part of environmental problem that can be ignored because this includes our life, our children's life, and our grandchildren's life. We all want to live in a world of peace, in a safe world, in a fine world. We also want our children and grandchildren to live so. Seeing what has happened in nowadays, making us as affirmative team realize how important this motion will be. This is our first step, our time to create a beautiful and safe planet where all the beautiful creature lives. Dear honorable judges, like I said previously, there's a lot happen in society because of these individuals and organization waste. We see a lot of polluted river in Indonesia. We see trash on the side of the road. We see a lot of animals that being trapped in a plastic or animal who eat plastic itself. And because of this, nature take a revenge for us by bringing many disasters. Ladies and gentlemen, my first argument on why I genuinely agree on this motion is if you destroy the earth, you destroy life. We all know plastic is something useful for our life. Humans are proud because they succeeded in creating plastic. Even we can live without plastic. We use plastic as a bottle to drink. We use plastic as a package of our food. There are more benefits of plastic in our life. But the other side, plastic is like a double-edged knife. Plastic can kill us. And why I said like that? In fact, plastics cannot be decomposed in a very long time. Based on research, plastic can take anywhere to 20 till 500 years to decompose. Depending on the material and structure, toxins from plastic particles that enter the soil kill decomposer animals. Plastic which cannot be decomposed even if eaten by animals or plants will become toxic chain according to the order of the food chain. Plastic bags will interfere with the path of water that seeps into the ground. Reduce soil fertility because plastic is also block air circulation in the soil and the space for underground creatures that can fertilize the soil. Animals can become entangled in plastic piles. Marine animals such as dolphins, sea turtles, and seals consider their plastic bags to be food and eventually die because they cannot digest them. When an animal dies, the plastic bag in its body will not break down into a carcass and can poison other animals. Indiscriminate disposal of plastic waste in rivers will result in silting of rivers and blockage of river flows that cause flooding. And not only that, plastic itself can kill us humans. Chemicals that come out of plastic are found in the blood and body tissues of nearly all living humans. Meanwhile, humans who are exposed to plastic are at greater risk of developing cancer, birth defects, immune disorder, endocrine disorder, and other dangerous diseases. Indeed, plastic is very useful in our lives. But plastic itself can kill our lovely earth. That's why earth needs to be safe, and that's why I'm standing here spending how this motion is a step to saving our earth. Ladies and gentlemen, my second argument is the government wants us to live in prosperity. That's why the government wants to criminalize individuals and organizations who do not recycle. Like I said previously, Earth is not in good condition, ladies and gentlemen. The moving of capital city from Indonesia from Jakarta to Kalimantan is also related to prevent the Earth being damaged. Scientists predict that Jakarta will sink in years. So that's one of the reasons government moved our capital city. Seeing it from this point of view, we must believe that government wants us to live in prosperity. Ladies and gentlemen, believe that the path government has taken is the right thing for us. If we or the government do not criminalize individuals and organizations who do not recycle their waste, the earth becomes worse. Can imagine how devastated the earth will be in the future. Criminalize here can be defined as a fine to individuals and organization itself. Or the government closes company. Not only that, seeing from economy point of view, government want us to take part in recycling waste. By organization recycling their waste, they will need more workers to recycle their waste, which can help a lot of unemployed workers getting work and advancing the economy. The solution of this motion is government should make a company that regulate which waste that can be recycled and which waste should be scorched. This includes all the organization and individual that make a huge waste. And government should collect fines or close the company who doesn't want to follow. So this can give the deterrence effect for those who don't care about our earth. Thank you.